We're proud to offer the world's first purpose-built hearing protection headphones for the HMT-1 and HMT-1Z1, allowing for safer, hands-free, remote collaboration experiences for first-line workers. Our ProBuds are designed with purpose for our award-winning, hands-free, voice-enabled headsets. We're solving for 5 key challenges compared to off-the-shelf headphones. 1. The ability to hear the device audio clearly in very high noise areas. 2. Hearing protection. ProBuds are certified to hearing protection standards in Europe, North America, and Australia and New Zealand. Even D-rated, ProBuds make it safe for you to be in 101 decibel environments for an 8-hour shift or 99 decibel environments for a 12-hour shift. Thirdly, safety. ProBuds have a super short cord, meaning they're just long enough for the HMT-1 and they won't get snagged in machinery or equipment when you're working. Fourthly, off-the-shelf headphones may interfere with our world-class voice recognition and noise cancellation system. ProBuds don't have their own microphones, so you'll still be using the microphones in the HMT-1 and the amazing noise cancellation that they provide. ProBuds offer the best audio experience for remote collaboration with Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx Expert on Demand, Zoom, and a host of other video collaboration applications. And lastly, ProBuds are intrinsically safe when used with our HMT-1Z1. They're certified to ATEX Zone 1, or in North America, C1, D1. That means they're permitted for use where potentially explosive atmospheres are routinely present, such as an offshore oil rig, a refinery, or a chemical plant. RealWear ProBuds are an investment in your business and in the safety of your people.